Hello everyone, Pamela Curtis here. Welcome back to Garden Reply. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite recipes for a very quenching drink, especially for this time of year because it is very hot and humid. So the drink is made with lemons, and all you have to do is grab your favorite glass or a jar. I have a jar here today, and fill it with ice. Slice up your lemons, squeeze the lemon on top of your ice, and add some very cold water. That's it. I will link that recipe below for you all, and you can also find it at my wonderful websites. Check out the seasonal recipe section at my website at House and Gardens. Subscribe today to receive your free seasonal newsletters. For more seasonal gardens and gardening, join me here at Garden Reply. This was brought to you by Pamela M. Curtis, House and Gardens, and Garden Reply.